affliction, but I'm trying to see.
We were playing games growing up and having so many dangerous close calls, but in no way letting that stop you from doing the asinine shit that you were doing.
Yeah, because boys don't quit until somebody actually gets hurt.
I'm immune to the symptoms of romantic affliction, but I'm trying to see the light. Every time you come around, yeah, I only want to say goodbye.
Did you guys used to whip each other with towels in your high school locker room?
Duh, that's why I was black and blue for most of my freshman year.
That didn't stop for us until Jacob Gardner got his ball sack split open by a really wet towel.
You're lying.
Oh, I swear to God. That's when I learned what it means to grow up.
What?
To look at a situation and say, is this something I should be doing, or might this split my ball sack?
I'm immune to the symptoms of romantic affliction, but I'm trying to see the light.
Well, if your balls are still intact, I guess you should keep playing the game.